thought I'd show you guys my outfit real quick before I leave. I've got my Fila sneakers on, my Lululemon Aligns. This is a 25 length, and I've got this really cute crop shirt from Princess Polly, and my Forever 21 cardigan, my ASOS beanie, and my little Princess Polly scrunchie. But I've got all of my reusable bags in here, and I'm gonna go to Whole Foods, and then I'm gonna come back home and work out. I always have to come outside into like my gym and do like outfit pictures or videos because the full length mirror in my room broke, so I have to come out here and do a little OOTD. Okay, so now we're gonna go to Whole Foods and come back and work our butts off. All right, I am now back from Whole Foods. I got a ton of groceries to show you guys. Like, I love Lululemon bags so much. Like, you can reuse them and everything, and they're cute. So I have a lot of those right here. Okay, I got this juice. This one's just the tropical greens, coconut water, pineapple, apple, mango, and kale. And then I also got apples, carrots, beets, ginger, lime, spinach, and a apple, pineapple, grape, mango, and ginger juice. They looked really good, so I'm excited to try those out. I also got some strawberries, some guacamole, bananas. Does this banana not look so ridiculous? It's huge. I don't understand what's going on with this. Literally all of the bananas were giant. They were bigger than this one, and this just looks ridiculous. These were the most normal looking ones I could find. I don't know what's going on with this. I also picked up an apple. I like having these with almond butter as like a snack. And I got an organic coconut because these things are just so good. It's just raw coconut water and it's delicious. Picked up some watermelon. I got a few more of the Kai's bars that I like. I also picked one of these things up. I don't know if it's called Noon or None. I'm not sure, but this is just the strawberry lemonade one, so I'm really excited to try that one. I also got a vegetarian roll, and I got one of these, I think this was like rosemary chicken with vegetables and mashed potatoes because it just looked really appetizing to me. And then I picked up some Jason's vitamin E oil. This is really good for your skin, so excited for that. And some olive oil. I really like this one, the Italian cold pressed by the Whole Foods brand. It's a really good one. I've got some sesame chicken flavored rice ramen for whenever I'm feeling lazy. Then I picked up some blue corn salted tortilla chips. These are really good. They're gonna taste great with the guac that I bought. And then I got some of this, this was like a gnocchi, which I love gnocchi. If you've ever had it, it's just like a potato dumpling. It's really good. And this one has like something in it. I don't know. It kind of looks like cheese, but it looked really yummy and I kind of needed it in my life. And then the last thing I got was just some oven roasted turkey breast. And this is the organic one. It's really good. I like this brand. Yeah, it makes for a good sandwich. So yeah, that is all of the things that I bought from Whole Foods. And yeah, I'm gonna go put this stuff away real quick and then hit a quick little workout. I am so worn out. Oh my god. So we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my favorite protein shake ever. We're gonna be using is the Fit with CAMBRIE protein powder. This is just in the chocolate. We're gonna use 2 scoops of this. Then I'm gonna put in half of a frozen banana. And then I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of almond butter. And then we're gonna just put in a little bit of almond milk. And then I'm gonna add some ice just to thicken it up a good bit. That's what she does, and it makes it really good. This is the finished product, and this is literally the perfect consistency ever. I don't know if you can see that, but like, it's like a protein smoothie, like in between a protein shake and a smoothie, and it's just so good. So yeah, try it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I will leave all of my social media in the description down below, along with the rest of the items that I mentioned today. And don't forget to stay stellar as always, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.